Investing in your home is like investing in yourself. All right, 2023 is the year we get it together. The great thing about our shop is that you can get everything at once, from lights to sofas to rugs to art. Shop local so you don't have to wait for furniture. We offer an eclectic mix of vintage and modern furniture, new and old. We accept Shop Pay and Affirm so you can buy now and pay later. Many big box stores make you wait weeks for furniture. Not us. You can get furniture the same day you see it in our showroom. We open daily from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. WRIZ is what a well-designed home can give you. What is WRIZ? It's what the kids are calling game. Impress your current or future lover with a beautiful home.